Joshua Blas, and I am excited to share my qualifications and experiences with you. I hold a Bachelor of Arts in Literary and Cultural Studies, and my life or my journey here in Mindanao is been transformative because it shapes my identity both academically and artistically. I am a visual artist. I use my art as a medium for storytelling and as a tool to teach basic English language skills. So here in this video, I will highlight my academic background, key skills, and why I am strong candidate for this opportunity. So in this video, I'll be going to discuss you that throughout my academic journey, I have explored literature, also the culture and the power of narratives in shaping perspectives. My studies have allowed me to develop strong skills in critical analysis, research, and also the communication. So, as a visual artist, I incorporate storytelling into my work and creating pieces that not only express ideas but also educate and inspire. I have experience teaching basic English through visual storytelling, uh, making language learning more, engaging and accessible. So I have also worked on independent projects that combine literature, culture, and art to reinforcing my ability to adapt and communicate across the different mediums. So to my for my skills and achievements, one of my strengths is my ability to analyze and interpret the complex narratives, whether in literature, media, or also the visual art. My academic background has trained me to critically engage with the text and cultural expressions, so allowing me to contribute to that insightful perspectives. I also excel in creative and digital storytelling. I created digital books, and so I have created an art that visually narrates cultural themes, historical events, and literary concepts. One of my projects involved that like exhibitions. I exhibit my paintings in the various regions here in Mindanao, also in an international art festival in Baguio. So with that, additionally, my experience in teaching basic English through art has strengthened my communication skills. I have developed innovative methods to make the language learning more interactive and visually engaging. So helping students grasp concepts through that majorly in storytelling. Beyond that, I have honed my research and writing skills, producing essays, creative pieces, and analytical works that reflect my deep engagement with the literary and cultural studies. So, why I'm gonna fit in this opportunity? So, I believe I am an excellent fit for this opportunity because of my ability to bridge the literature, culture, and also the visual storytelling. My background in literary and cultural studies allows me to analyze and communicate ideas effectively, while my skills as a visual artist help me to bring those ideas to life in engaging ways, whether in education, media, publishing, or even the creative industry. So I bring a unique interdisciplinary perspective that actually combines critical thinking, storytelling, and artistic expression. So I'm eager to apply my skills in a meaningful way and also contribute to projects that inspire, educate, others in a diverse audiences. So because of that, aside of my academic, that as I'm a visual artist, I use this medium, the art, as a medium for me to showcase the stories of, particularly here in the people in Mindanao. I showcase the rich cultures and heritage of these regions, and also displays to bring it into the forefront and to present and to the broader audiences that this culture has a rich uh, tapestry that actually tells more stories about the people, about its cultures, and about its language. And with that, I'm Joshua Leonidas, and I am excited to be and also I'm looking forward for this opportunity. Thank you so much.